We've had a lot of requests for the Lejiled wallet. It is a origami style wallet. It's made in France, so let's get into it. This is the Le N Degree 01 or the Degree 01 wallet. It is a card holder. It's a slim offering. We got tissue paper here, so let's take that off and get into the wallet itself. Oh my, let's see, what do we have here? Look at this. Another wallet made from the Italian leather from the Vegetable Tanned Leather Consortium, Tuscany. And this is the stamp to indicate that this comes from them. Well, let's see what we can do. There we go. Take that off. And here is the wallet. Lovely. This is a great cut of leather. It feels really good. Nice and, boy, pliable is the word I'm looking for here. And, oh man, this smells fantastic. You can see how it's put together. It has one snap that holds this entire wallet together. Pretty amazing how this works. I'm not going to take it apart yet. I think I'll take it apart at the end. And so there's no sewing to look at. It is all through folds and this one snap that pulls it together. Just amazing. Now this comes in either a left or a right hand version. Very specific and quite a nice feature depending on how you get at the different slots in this. Now if we look at this wallet, there is one feature that is kind of on the inside, but you have access to it right here. And this is a card slot. Right here is how you put it in, and you have access to it by using your thumb to get it out there. So you have that card slot there. If we turn it over, we have another card slot right here that gives a quick access thumb slot to push the cards out. That's capacity of 1 to 2 cards there, and 1 to 2 cards right in here. If we unsnap it and open this up, then we have access to the interior. And as part of this, if you can believe it, it has a pull strap that's incorporated into this wallet. We'll see that at the very end when I unfold this and you can see it. So cards go in here as you would expect, and they go in, grab the pull strap, comes out just amazing. And with that, a review of the features of the Lejiled Le N minimalist wallet. Now it measures 3.7 by 2.9 by 0.4, and it weighs 38 grams or 1.3 ounces. Minimalist on this is probably 4 cards, reasonable is 6. Company makes no recommendation, but it really up to 8 cards, and once you get a few notes in there, it'll be a trade-off between the cards and the cash. From a quality perspective, it is designed and made in France from a full-grain veg-tanned Italian leather from the Vegetable Tanned Leather in Tuscany Consortium. That was that little tag we saw in the very beginning. It really is the perfect weight to facilitate folding, but it's still very robust. And the single snap really holds it together because even unsnapped though, it still operates without hesitation. It's priced for $56, and from a usability perspective, there is no sewing, as I mentioned. Pull this open here, no sewing, everything is folded. Now, Lejiled got its start on Kickstarter in 2019, and has been adding additional origami-style wallet designs to their offering ever since. Now, we've seen origami-type wallets in the past, but this one, this one is the most functional I've seen yet. The folds are subtle, but they're very crisp, and the functionality just continues to get better. You'd think that you would have some reduction in functionality, but you just don't have it, and you'd kind of think that this was really sewn. And now, from an insertion perspective, you can tell that it inserts in the pocket just fine, front or rear. There's really no concern about this, and it seems to fit very well. And before we get to the final score, I'll take it apart so you can see what it looks like. All right, so if we snap this and we take it apart, you can see we have a fold going on here. So let's take that out, and you can see that it has a piece of leather here that holds it within this slit, and it looks like we have another little one that's hidden back in there right here. So these two go in and hold. We pull this back. We have yet another piece of leather that seems to put itself in there, so it goes into this fold up under, holds it in place. Now with that taken apart, let's see, we unfold that, take this down, and there is our pull strap right there. And here's the other component. Just fantastic. I mean, look at the precision that's involved in this. What a wonderful offering. So with that, on to the final score. For quality of 5, price of 3, features of 3, usability of 4, and perception of 4. That gives us a score of 40 out of 50. Hey, thanks for joining us. Look at these other wallets that may be of interest to you. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.